I think whether generative AI is extractive or inclusive as a technology and economical system, I think this is a really crucial question. The works by Asemoglu show that if economical system is extractive, so that the fruits of people's ingenuity, labor, and so on are extracted and used by these people who are on the top, that economic system will not grow like the plantation system in colonies. On the other hand, if the economic system is inclusive, so that people can keep the produces of their own ingenuity and on their own hard labor, then the economic system would grow. That is a basic, analysis of all these, different economic systems that have existed and still exist um, on the earth. And this is really interesting argument. So, generative AIs, I think they have two sides. On the one hand, they do learn from what we have produced, in terms of texts, illustrations, and so on. And as they learn statistically from the collective data of humanity so far, they, in a sense, are extracting the fruits of the labor of millions of people. That's true. But on the other hand, generative AIs have really empowering functionality so that people with less skills, people with less ingenuity might be able to produce things, empowered by the generative AI. So that way, generative AIs might liberate and empower people. So there are two sides, and this is quite interesting. What is the balance? What is the position of generative AIs in our economical systems and development of society from here? And I think this is a really crucial question. And we can actually try to design generative AIs and AI alignment systems so that we can, you know, be included in the system. We can, that is a true human in the loop, how we can be, empowered to do more and to be more like ourselves. I think that's a really crucial question about generative AIs.